the front bumper off because I'm also, while doing this video, I'm also restoring the bumper, or somewhat restoring the bumper, and installing the new lip on it. But one thing that I wanted to address, it's hard to tell in this video, but these headlights, unfortunately, they're kind of yellowed, and I think it's more evident on the other side here, but you can actually see there's areas where it's kind of fading. It's kind of bleaching out. Now the problem is I've used some of the plastic polish and I've gotten it so it looks a lot better. But the reason why plastic polish isn't really a permanent fix is because the reason that these start to fade is the UV coating has dissolved. So once the UV coating is gone, the plastic no longer has protection from the sun. So when you polish it, it gets rid of the oxidation off the headlight, but unfortunately it's a matter of time and it'll come back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wet sand these and then spray some clear coat on the headlights. I've done this before on an Audi A6 that I had, and I mean the results were awesome. Lasted a really long time and it looked great. So I think that's what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to start off with just 600 grit. I'm going to start just spraying it down with water, and then just kind of keep on going across the whole thing until it looks all pretty much even across the entire lens. What I want to do is just basically get it to the point where all the areas where the deep scratches or the fading is the worst, I just want to kind of see that go away. So what I want to do though is just kind of do this exact same process, just keep on going over and over and over again until it looks like the lens is pretty much all consistent. What I might do then is switch to like 800 grit or 1200 grit, something like that, so I can get rid of any of these little scratches that I'm putting in with this 600 grit. The main reason I started off with 600 was I didn't want to go too aggressive, but there's a lot of debris and stuff. You know, it felt like these lenses were kind of a little bit gritty. So I want to make sure I'm getting rid of all that, but I don't want to go too aggressive. I don't want to go too coarse of the sandpaper and end up having it where struggling to polish it out. So just there, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of scratches in it right now, but you see it's very consistent all the way across. Nice. So this is after just one pass with 600 grit. I probably will be going to a couple other grits. Might do like 800 and then 1000. we'll see. I gotta see what sandpaper I have right now, but so far this is the one side. I haven't even started on the other yet, but so this is after 1000 grit. You can still see there's some little fine lines in there. I probably will go at least 1500 grit. I don't know if I'm going to go necessarily all the way to 2000 grit, but it's looking better, but still has a ways to go. I did 600 grit, then I switched to 1000 grit. Now I got 1500 grit. And I'm going to go through and do one more pass. Hopefully I won't have to go to 2000 or 3000 grit, but we'll see. And this is what it looks like after 1500 grit. Alright, so now I dried everything off. Both headlights, are almost completely dry. There's still like a little bit of moisture still on the lens, but what I'm going to do is again wipe it off with alcohol. That way it gets any debris off there, and then what I'll do is I'll mask it off and then clear coat it. Alright, so I got this headlight masked off, and now what I'm going to do is hit it with 1K clear. All right, and that's basically going to be the way this thing's going to dry. So this is again a great way of making sure you have kind of a permanent fix instead of just using the plastic polish all the time. I still have to do the other side, but you can see just basically from every angle, looks crystal clear. Basically, it looks like a brand new headlight. Look at the before. Now this side again, I did up to 1500 grit, so I need to hit it with the 1K clear. But of course, first before I do that, I gotta mask everything off. But like I said, the paint itself I think was about $20. The supplies. There's a sanding block kit that comes with some sandpaper for, I don't know, about $10. But like I said, basically night and day difference, and it looks like a brand new headlight. And here's the other side. And here's the finished product. Both headlights basically look like brand new. It's funny how you don't actually realize how faded they are until you actually see them when they're restored. But I definitely should be able to see a lot better at night, and with these I should definitely have no more issues with the sun bleaching out the headlight lenses. So, all right, on to the next job. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.